All right, welcome back, everybody. I don't want to waste any time. Currently, we are starting to break out of this bullish pennant. Now, if you remember from the last video, I said that we were entering this bullish pennant here. I don't think I called it a bullish pennant, but I had this TA up right here, and it looks like we're starting to break out of that. So if we can see a move up past this 1700 mark, that would be great. I will go over a price target here. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to pull up a trend line. I'm expecting this move to be at least an 8% run. Now, currently we are at we're currently at about a 3% run on this candle right here. So we got about another 5% that I expect to go. So let's pull that up here, another 5%. So I am thinking roughly at the $1,700 mark, as you guys see right here, is near 5% right here, just under 1,700. So of course, these are just price targets. These are not like guaranteed by any means. It could go down. We could see a pullback maybe. We are not too sure, obviously. Otherwise, everyone would make money off of trading and nobody would lose. But obviously, that's not the case. So obviously, on the 1 hourly chart, we are seeing a huge run up. Now, we just need to hold this momentum. We just need to keep on making a move upwards, or at least hold this at the very least. We don't want to see a wick like we did over here. We don't want to see that. We want to see a very big, thick candle with not a lot of wick, with not like, see this this thin skinny line here. We don't want to see any, at least amount of that as possible. That shows a very big bull signal, and yeah, that's what we want to see here. So obviously we are starting to get a little overextended on the RSI. MACD is just now coming in. We are just now here, so we have plenty of room to grow there. But as far as the RSI goes, we're starting to be a little overextended. But of course, back here we saw a huge overextension. Way back here we saw it at almost 85 on the RSI. So still room to grow, but you know, we're gonna have to see how this plays out now. As far as what's to come in the long term, let's zoom out here on the weekly chart. We are still pretty far down below this 120-day moving average here. That's around 2100, so we probably won't see that for a little while. Although you never know, this pennant here that we're seeing, we could break out of that, and that could be the start of the bull run, hopefully. But as far as all of that goes, that's currently what we're looking at here. This is the daily chart. As you can see, a really nice thick candle. We want to continue to see that. See all these little wicks right here? We don't want any of that. We want a nice solid candle. Let's come over here to the 4 hourly, same thing. You can see this pennant. We are nearing the end of it, so I do want to see a run up. Now, if it is to crash, if it is to go back down, I expect us to come down to around the $1,500 mark. Let's call that 1550-ish, right in here, 1550. But of course, we could crash much lower. But we want to continue to make higher highs and higher lows, if that makes sense. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to stay tuned and get all the updates on the newest crypto information as it comes out, this is happening in real time as it's coming out. I'm going to upload this video and I'm going to get the news out as fast as possible. So if you guys want quick updates on the market, make sure you subscribe, leave a like button, hit the like button, and yeah, thank you.